One vote just changed the daily rhythm of a Cary neighborhood. After a 5-1 decision, the Seasons at Cary project moves forward, along with a two-way extension of New Haven Drive to Route 31 that's modeled to carry about 1,700 additional car trips per day. Today, we'll unpack what was approved and why it happened, and what it means for home values and the quality of life near New Haven.
We're keeping this balanced and fact-based so you can decide where you stand. Hey friends, Ozzie here.
And I'm Tamara with the Tamara Ozzie team with Century 21 New Heritage. We cover the biggest news stories shaping Cary, Crystal Lake, Huntley, Algonquin, Woodstock, and Marengo, so homeowners and buyers can make informed decisions. Today, what we're talking about is what the 5-1 Cary board vote actually approved, the debate over the New Haven connection, and how this could affect your day-to-day and your property value.
Here are the basics. Seasons at Cary is a planned development on the Danish farm site, about 37 to 38 acres east of Route 31, adjacent to the Cambria subdivision. The plan includes 360 market rate rental apartments across multiple two-story buildings, plus about 5.9 acres of commercial frontage along Route 31.
The proposal went through months of public process. The Zoning, Planning, and Appeals body ultimately recommended approval with a condition: make New Haven a one-way, exit only to Route 31 to protect Cambria from cut-through traffic.
But on October 28, 2025, the village board approved the project 5-1 and replaced that condition with a two-way New Haven connection to Route 31.
For nearby residents, the issue isn't the apartment design, it's the street function. The two-way connection effectively turns New Haven Drive into a feeder to Route 31. The traffic study modeling shows 1,700 additional daily trips using that corridor.
Neighbors packed the hearing over traffic safety, school buses, and noise. And they raised property value concerns tied to higher volume on a once quiet local street.
One resident summarized the emotion in the room. Why would you destroy the safety, the serenity, and the sanctity of our neighborhood?
So why approve the two-way road anyway? The answer was largely economic. The full connection is seen as critical to secure strong commercial tenants on the Route 31 frontage. Think national retailers who prefer full access and signalized entry. That retail piece strengthens the long-term tax base.
The total build is cited around $100 million, with an estimated $1.4 million per year in property tax increment once stabilized. To balance the neighborhood impact, the board added a key condition. Before any building permits are issued, the final engineering must include traffic calming measures inside Cambria, like raised crosswalks or physical design features, and those plans must be approved and publicly reviewed.
Let's talk about market context. Recently, single-family pricing in Cary has shown volatility, while rents have been trending up. Projects like Seasons are part of a regional shift, adding higher density rentals near major corridors to diversify municipal revenue and meet renter demand.
For homeowners near New Haven, the near-term variables are traffic flow and perceived street safety. Appraisers and buyers do weigh street function and speed, so the effectiveness of those traffic calming designs, they will matter.
For the broader Cary market, the development can support local retail vitality and stabilize tax revenues, which can be a plus for long-term community services and amenities, factors buyers also consider.
For buyers looking at Cary, expect more inventory choice in the rental segment and potential amenity growth along the Route 31 corridor. For sellers nearby, it's smart to note the timeline. Impacts phase in over years. Track the engineering plan, then the construction sequence, and document any implemented traffic calming for your disclosures and your buyer conversations.
The board prioritized long-term fiscal stability and retail viability, and placed the safety backstop in the engineering phase. Whether this feels like a win probably depends on whether you live on or near New Haven, and whether the calming measures genuinely slow and disperse traffic.
From here, the most important chapter is ahead. the publicly reviewed traffic calming plan. That's where details like raised crossings, signage, and design speed get decided. We'll track it and update you because the quality of those solutions will shape both daily life and perceived value for nearby homes.
If you live near New Haven and want a second set of eyes on value, timing, or resale prep, reach out. We're happy to give you a neighborhood-specific read.
And if you're considering a move to Cary and want context on neighborhoods, schools, and commute patterns, we'll help you make sense of the options without the noise.
Like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you have voted yes or no on the two-way New Haven connection? And what traffic calming would you want to see?
We'll see you next time.